Do you see what's happening right outside my window? I think I may have just spotted the sneaky little culprit who has been digging up my caladium bulbs. Yeah, he is cute though. Just not in my garden. Hey, welcome back to Gardening with Sylvia and Friends. If you are new to the channel, I am so glad you're here. I'm Sylvia. In today's episode, we are working on my Japanese boxwood parterre. This garden here, I can just tell you that this is a never-ending project for me, mainly because I'm always expanding this boxwood parterre. I absolutely love it, and if I can have my way, I may have that boxwood parterre go completely around my entire garden. We'll see what happens. But today I am going to go shopping for some new plants to put in here, some caladiums. I had caladiums already in here. I'll show you what happened to those, and I'm going to go shopping for some new ones. But first, let me give you a look at the prep work that I've done in advance of putting in those new caladiums. Come on. All right, so I thought I'd start with a wide shot of my Japanese boxwood parterre. I am obsessed with the boxwood parterres, you guys. This is sort of a little bit of the history of these. It's sort of an Asian European combination design. They're very classic and very beautiful, of course. I keep mine, I gave it a really big chop earlier in the year and shaped it up here. I like it to look very tight and just clean, as you can see. And you notice that there are 2 rows of the boxwoods. I'm hoping, I saw this on a garden tour where they had 2 individual rows. In other words, a parterre inside of a parterre. And I love that look, so that's what I'm going for. And then the space that's left will be plantings, mass plantings of seasonal items. I had caladiums in here last spring. I did a previous video on that. You can check it out. And this is what's left though. The squirrels and the bunnies got in and dug up most of the bulbs. In fact, take a look. You see this hole right here? Bunny did that, or squirrel. And here's another one. And here's another one. They are all over this garden. Holes. Here's another one. Here's another one. Them digging, you know, all over. And so I'm hoping that the repellent will help to shut that down so that I can get my caladiums in soon. The ones that did survive though, I took out and put those in pots. And the funny thing about that is they don't bother these caladiums. So I think it really is just the bulbs that they want. They don't really mess with these, but they look great, right? I don't recall the names, but if you check out my previous video on these caladiums, you can see all of the names there. This one I do know. This one is White Christmas. White Christmas. Okay, you guys, so here is the plan for this space. I'm going to remove the remaining bulbs, clear out the weeds, and then plant my favorite caladiums, Miss Muffet. But this time, instead of bulbs, I'm going to put in mature plants. I just need to pick up those caladiums. I've been given a tip on where they are right now, so hopefully they'll still be in the store. And in addition to that, I'm going to get some repellent, and I'm also going to get a couple of boxwoods because, you know, why not? Hey, come shopping with me. Okay, we're here and I have my cart. First stop, of course, are the boxwoods. This particular store carries a couple of varieties There's the Japanese boxwoods, and then a little bit further down they carry the wintergreen. I would recommend, as you are making a decision on which one is best for your garden, that you speak with a plant nursery expert. I think I'm just gonna pick up 2 for now and keep it moving. They sure are pretty. Oh my word. This is one of my favorite caladiums here. Just want you to see it in case you're looking for it. I'm gonna grab a few. Okay, I'm gonna grab 4. That's a few more than a few, right? 4. But they're so lovely, right? I mean, you can just see they're just beautiful. So I'll get about 4 of those. 4 or 5. I've run out of space here in this little section, so there you go. And yes, I found another double topiary, and so I'm grabbing that too. Here are more caladiums. Beautiful. Look. The garden center mascot. Hi, kitty. Hi. How are ya? Hi, kitty kitty. Hi. That is a wrap. So excited. Okay, so all that is left now is to put down some pine straw to help with the weeds and a little bit more repellent to help with the squirrels and the bunnies, and a little bit of time for these guys to get adjusted to their new home, this glorious Japanese boxwood parterre. Look at this color. And when they fill in, they will fill up this space. Hopefully, it's gonna be beautiful, you guys. One last thing. I've decided I need to go back to the store to purchase just a few more plants to fill in some empty spots there, and hopefully they will have more plants left. But let me just say thank you for clicking on this channel, Gardening with Sylvia and Friends. It so encourages me, so I so appreciate you for doing it. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe, and feel free to share this with other gardening friends. Hopefully they will be inspired to get outside too. Until next time, happy gardening.